I think the pedals are still too far away for him. Yeah. Yeah. Grant's getting the hang of that thing. Hi, mister. Want me to help you off, Bob? There you go. Good job. Good job. He's obsessed with the chickens. He's going back. You want to play basketball?